Hey everyone! Welcome back to the English Lab. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that can be tricky but super important, verb tenses. We'll explore what verb tenses are, why they matter, and how to use the most common ones correctly. Verb tenses tell us when an action happens in the past, present, or future. In English, there are 3 main time frames and 12 verb tenses in total. But don't worry, we'll focus on the most common ones and show you how to use them with examples. Simple present. Usage, habits, facts, general truths. Example, she walks to school every day. Present continuous. Usage, actions happening right now or temporary actions. Example, she is walking to school now. Present perfect. Usage, actions that happened at an unspecified time or have relevance to the present. Example, she has walked to school already. Present perfect continuous, optional/advanced. Usage, action that began in the past and is still continuing. Example, she has been walking to school for 10 minutes. Simple past. Usage, completed actions in the past. Example, she walked to school yesterday. Past continuous. Usage, action that was happening at a specific time in the past. Example, she was walking to school when it started to rain. Past perfect. Usage, an action completed before another past action. Example, she had walked to school before it started raining. Past perfect continuous, optional/advanced. Usage, emphasizes duration of a past action before another past action. Example, she had been walking for 30 minutes when the rain started. Simple future. Usage, predictions, future plans. Example, she will walk to school tomorrow. Future continuous. Usage, action that will be happening at a certain time in the future. Example, she will be walking to school at 7 a.m. Future perfect. Usage, action that will be completed before a future time. Example, she will have walked to school by 8 a.m. Future perfect continuous, optional. Usage, emphasizes the duration of an action up to a point in the future. Example, she will have been walking for 30 minutes by the time she arrives. Let's do a quick review. Past, present, future, each has different tenses for specific meanings. Focus on the time, the action, and whether it's finished or ongoing. Now it's your turn. Try these quick questions. By next week, I_finish the project. They_eat dinner when the call came in. I_study for 2 hours now. Drop your answers in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more English lessons, and share with a friend who's learning too. See you next time on the English Lab, where English becomes easy.